got to see it right here. These
Yes.
are Swarovski crystals, the volcanic crystal cluster jewelry. The ring, $129.90. The earrings, $149.90. And then we also have the pendant available at $149.90.
Here they are. All right, this is a very unique piece. This is a collectible. It sold out in 1 minute back in May. And you know what? I know that our customers love pave work. They love crystal. They love sparkle. This is, first of all, one of the most unique pieces of Technibond we have ever in 34 years brought to you because of the nature of the setting. They are, quite in fact, more of a relaxed setting in that they are set with very little air, and I'm spelling that A-I-R, air, or any space between any of the gems. Typically and traditionally, pave jewelry is set girdle to girdle. Girdle is the center part of a stone. I'm going to hold this at an angle where you can see very closely the difference between the nature of setting that's been done here. These are Swarovski branded crystals that are laying in different directions to where from every perspective you see just that. This is the canary color, and then this is, I will show you the black. Look at the black. Oh.
These are actually made in Italy. I just slipped on these earrings. Look at these earrings. The sparkle.
There's nothing I've ever seen like...
This is just, you know, wow. There's no other word. Wow. Shazam. This is a Shazam.
I think it was a cartoon when we were kids.
It wasn't it a show?
I think he pulled his belt. No, that was Sinbad.
No, it's Gomer Pyle, wasn't it?
No.
Shazam.
Oh, no, but there was a character, cartoon character. Would say
Shazam. There's another Shazam.
Wasn't there a cartoon character? Why are we talking about this?
I said
See what you do to me?
Happened.
Shazam was with the ring? Oh,
with
yeah,
the ring?
Shazam! He would hold his hand up. Anyway. Back then, I remember
I'd
that.
like to say that was before my time, but frankly, it wasn't.
Yeah, I know. You were watching
I know.
You were eating the cereal and milk with me watching it.
Okay, very, very few left of this. We have hundreds of you online, and only about 300 of these remaining. 093182 volcanic crystal cluster jewelry.
You know, they sold out in 1 minute last time, and based on the number of callers online, they could happen again. These are very special. They are all Swarovski. We have the ring at $29.90, major flex pay available, 4 flex pay. We have got the earrings for $149.90 on 4 flex, and then the pendants 4 flex, and it's $149.90, but very limited, so use express ordering.